Right guys, welcome to another video. I'm just going to quickly go around Lidl, see what tools I've got in this week. And it's the usual thing, she goes one way, I go the other. So the first thing I get to are these little wall organiser cubbies. Really handy to have. And not a bad price at £12.99. I'm unsure about this, to be perfectly honest with you. Over the years, we've had loads of shelving units, and the cheap ones always seem not to last very well. £19.99. If any of you guys have got one, let us know if they're any good. This looks a bit of a weird one. A flexible extension lead. Again, I've never seen one before. You know, maybe that's just me. These don't seem real good value for money for the price. I know it's only £1.99, but they were really tiny. They look bigger on the video. Car boot mats if you've got pets and that, or you know, you're super organised in the back of your car. Thermal windscreen protector, £2.99. They were in the tool aisle. I thought I'd just show you. The socks, they were, to be fair, these were really thick socks, and for £4.99 for a 5-pack, I think is quite good value for money, to be honest. Now they only had one of these in here, and the box was damaged. I weren't buying one anyway. But carpet cleaner, you can see the damage there. Carpet cleaner, £49.99 with a little app. Pipe wrench. They had like the 3-pack there, or these big, huge things with some weight to them. I mean, what would you be using them for? I know the smaller ones, water pipes, that kind of thing. These are good, aren't they? You know, if you're making little tables and chairs and things like that in your workshop, and you just want somewhere to protect your floors. There was loads of them, all different types of ones in there. Now this didn't have a price. Oh yeah, it did. This is the first one. There's another one that comes up shortly. It didn't have a price on it, but I'm sure it's the same price as this. Look okay. It's just them tools, innit? You get them and you sort of wouldn't use for quite a bit. I'm not going to say nothing. Again, extendable sort of ratcheting things. How often would you use one? £7.99. They're cheap though, aren't they? Is it always handy just to get them in? Washers, the copper washers there. You know, I've seen them. Good price, really, to be honest. £3.99. But they're them things that you just always seem to, you know, want them when you haven't got them. I've got these. I bought them on a previous visit, and they're not bad for the money. The catches are a bit of a nightmare. They seem to be really stiff, but you know, not bad. A tenner for free. Jubilee clips, more odds and ends there, hooks and stuff like that. £2.99 a box. These hammers, they weren't overly heavy. They were just a nice weight on them. On all three, there's 3 different ones here, and they just had a nice weight. They weren't light and they weren't heavy. They were just right. £3.49. I should have got that one. Really, I didn't pick any up, but I should have just got that one for getting its sake. Bolt cutters. £7.99. You pay a lot more for something like that, wouldn't you, elsewhere? And again, these spanners look okay, really. £8.99 for the pack. little precision screwdriver sets, you know, driver set kind of thing with loads of heads. I've already got this, and I have used it on a couple of occasions, and it has come in handy. $5.99. Assorted drill bits, driver bits there, with a driver bit with a socket bits in there. $3.99. In nice little stackable cases as well. You know, if you're just starting out and you're wanting a screwdriver set, this seems handy. In like a moulded case kind of thing. $7.99. You're not going to go wrong with that price, are you? Heat gun. I've already got an heat gun, but if you know, if you wanted an heat gun, they've got them in this week here. Corded. $9.99 with a little app. Glass and tile drill with the guide. Now, I've never used anything like this, so I'd like to know in the comments if any of you have, and if they're any good. And here's that other one. I couldn't get the price, but I'm sure it's like the same size as the other one earlier, just different ends. I'm sure it'd be the sort of same price. Maybe someone's put it back there, you know. These step down bits, $3.99, and the socket set here with a ratcheting handle, $11.99. Now I'm kicking myself. I should have got that really while I were here. Thermal imager thing, thermometer, not imager, thermometer should I say. $9.99. Ooh, painting, the bugbear of my life. I hate painting, but there's all bits and pieces here, which no doubt some of this stuff will come in really handy for your scrapers, the like, tapes, that thing. Right guys, thanks for watching, and let's get on to the next one.